Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare aqueous iodine solution. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Next, gather your materials: solid iodine, potassium iodide, and distilled water. You will also need a volumetric flask, a beaker, and a stirring rod. Make sure your work area is well ventilated to safely handle any iodine vapors. This preparation requires careful attention to detail for accurate results. The next step involves dissolving potassium iodide. Carefully weigh out a precise amount, such as 20 grams, using an analytical balance. Transfer this into a clean, appropriately sized beaker. Now, add a small volume of distilled water, approximately 25 milliliters, to the beaker. Stir the solution vigorously with a glass rod until all the potassium iodide has completely dissolved, forming a clear solution. This ensures proper solubility for the iodine. Now, it's time to add the solid iodine. Precisely weigh out your iodine, for example, 10 grams, using a clean weighing boat. Gently transfer the weighed iodine into the beaker containing the dissolved potassium iodide solution. Stir the mixture continuously and patiently. The potassium iodide acts as a solubilizing agent, forming triiodide ions, which significantly increases the iodine's solubility in water. Continue stirring until the solution is uniform. For the final steps, carefully transfer your iodine solution into a volumetric flask, such as a 1-liter flask. Rinse the beaker thoroughly with small portions of distilled water, adding these rinsings to the flask to ensure all solute is transferred. Now, carefully add distilled water to the flask until the bottom of the meniscus aligns precisely with the calibration mark. Finally, cap the flask securely and invert it several times to ensure the solution is completely homogeneous before storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.